Happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel. I uploaded this video day before yesterday, or it's yesterday, and someone asked me that I should explain how I cooked my moinmoin with aluminum plate. So this is the reason why I'm uploading this video. So this is my aluminum plate. I've rinsed it with water already. Then I'm going to add my beans, my blended beans. Just look how I'm doing it. It's not hard at all. So this is it. I'm going to go on now and cover the beans. It's not hard at all. You just need to take the cover that followed the aluminum plate, then you just need to open it and cover it as I'm doing it here. So this is the outcome of it. You can see that it's not hard at all. So you just need to make sure that you cover it well. This is where you have to be careful if you want to cook it. Then you just go on and add your water in your pot. Make sure you don't have plenty of water, because we don't need the water to cover the plate. You just need to add small water and let it warm. Then you make sure that you set your plate well so that it will not throw in the water. So I'm trying to pack the moinmoin inside my pot. Just make sure that you set them well. If not, everything will just pour in the water. You can see this, I'm cooking it already. I covered it with my aluminium nylon. You can still use ordinary nylon. You can see that I set my plate well. What you just need to do is to make sure that you are coming back to check it if the water is dry, so that you can add another water. You can see the outcome of my moinmoin. Look at it. You see that it's so good and everything is cooked well. I'm going to take my fork and show you guys that it is well cooked. So thank you guys for coming in once again. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.